So here we go. The first look at the FW3A. And a lot of you have already gotten it, but due to some delivery issues, mine took a bit longer. Push out. Nice. I ordered two, but I suppose the second one will arrive later or something. So we should not disassemble the tail like some of you did, but some also described that it is necessary to get the light working correctly, but let's see. So I have two batteries because I expected to get two lights, but as always, there's a surprise with everything. So let's see. Let's have a short look at the manual, because I'm not really too keen on the Endural user interface. So on and off works fine. Double tap to turbo works fine. Long press to low, or long press to ramp, better said. So low is super low, which is nice moon mode for a triple LED light. And ramping up to maximum and turbo. Nice. And it's getting warm really quick, so even now, after this short time, it's warm to the touch. But it's really well made. And I'm also not having, or not apparently having, the issue of sharp threads. The threads are fine for me. So maybe the beginning is a bit sharp, but that's hard to avoid on a square thread. I think it's a nice white, so. And you can also see, I don't know if you can see it on the video, but there's a short flicker when we're switching from regulated to fat mode. Let's see how warm it gets in high and how long it takes until it gets uncomfortably hot on the front at least. I'm not too keen on heating up the batteries, so. With heat sinking from the hand, it's fine. Now on turbo. That's too hot to touch now. Whoa, whoa, that's really hot. Damn, but that's to be expected. Turbo mode is not really that useful after all. So that's it. Nice short, hopefully nice short overview of the light.